What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today's video, the Honda Civic Type-R is going to do all the talking. We are going to listen to the differences between the stock exhaust system and the AWE touring exhaust. Now if you own any of the 10th or 11th generation Civic SIs or Type-Rs or even the DE Acura Integra, take a look at the links down below for all of AWE's kits for these cars. They sound awesome. So let's take one last look and then get a good listen at it. I went with the chrome tips and this is the touring, so we do have a nice resonator style muffler back there to tone down the drone. Car looks super good with that triple exhaust tip. Got the sticker up there just to add a nice little touch as well. But from here, let's go ahead and take a listen at the Civic Type-R with the exhaust.